In front of me is DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select the gear one instead. Now click on voice typing. Use the gray sweater next to it to activate it and go back to your keyboard. Now you can click on finally visible microphone. And if you never used it before, select while using the app in the pop-up. After seeing Speak Now command, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!